Okay, this video is for people who are running Windows 10 who need to find a video editor to use and how to do that. So, the first thing you do is you go to the bottom left corner by the Start button, left click that, and then you're going to scroll down, it's alphabetical, and you're going to look for V for Video. There it is, Video Editor, right there. Just click on that, and it brings you to this screen. And then what you're going to want to do is hit the New Video Project button. Okay, and you're going to name it. I'm going to name this Demo 1. Okay, so now I have that. And then I'm going to click on the Video Editor button. Or actually, go back. Alright, so what I want to do is click on that button. So if you didn't catch that, I'm on Demo 1, and then you're going to want to add some photos or video to this area here. So there's a couple ways you can do that. You can either drag it in there from your desktop or wherever you have it, or you can click on this Add button right here. And in this case, I took some video earlier and I put it on a little disk, and it's in this computer now. So I saved it to my desktop. So I'm going to go from this PC, and I'm going to choose one of these files, and the one I'm going to choose is the one that has more memory that's been used. That way I know I'm actually getting the correct file. And click on that, hit open, and there it is now in your kind of your workspace there in the video editor. Then now this is where it gets more fun, because you can take this and you can drag it down into your timeline, which is very similar to iMovie. So now I've got this clip in there. I can do it multiple times just to show you some different things that we can do with it. You could copy it if you don't want it there, though. You can always delete it, remove from the video clip. Do the same thing for that one. There's some other things you can do. You can split it up with this button. All of your commands here on that you can manipulate these clips are on this ribbon right here. So I'm going to hit split. So I'm going to split this up here in a few different sections. You've got clip 1, clip 2. And honestly, guys, I have just opened this up today, so it's pretty new to me, but it's pretty intuitive, really easy to use. So I'm just going to do the first split here at about 8 seconds, and I'm going to hit done. I think there's a faster way to do it, but this is the way I've been doing it just because it's so easy. I'm going to make my next clip maybe somewhere in here. I'm splitting it again like that. And so I've got it in 3 different parts. That's good enough. So now a couple of other things you can do here is you can add filters, which is really easy. And I should tell you, whichever of these clips is underlined with that green bar, that is the one that you'll be affecting. So I've got on the first clip, I'm going to hit filters, and you've got all these different choices that you can do. Some pretty exaggerated ones, black and white, whatever you choose. So we'll just go with this one for now. And then I hit done. Now that section of the clip that I chopped up, that's going to be with this filter on it. I can also do other things like add text to it. You put your text up in here. And what's kind of neat is you can experiment with these different formats that they've got, which is kind of cool. I like this one for some reason. And then even within that, you can mess with the layout button and come up with some kind of cool things there. Another neat feature is the 3D effects. So you can do some neat stuff here like colored lights, and we'll throw that in there and just hit done, and then that's that. Another thing I should tell you with the text, you can change the duration of how long it appears in that clip by just simply grabbing onto this handle here and moving it off. So you can pretty much position it wherever you want just by doing that. So that's that. What else? You can mess with the speed of it. So let's go to this next one, and we'll do some things to it real quick. We'll add on filters. We'll do that one. That's kind of an interesting one. Throw on some text. And it keeps that keeps consistent with what the style that you've been picking already. And then we can speed that clip up actually quite a bit. So we'll just do that for the heck of it. And then on this last one, we'll do some 3D effects. What should we do? A few choices, actually a lot of choices. We won't get too crazy. Ornaments, yeah, let's do that. Done. Kind of silly. Anyway, so you got that. Also, you can do some background music. So, and you can choose these different styles of music that you've got. I don't know if you can hear that. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, you can choose any kind of. Let's turn it down a little bit. So yeah, you can affect that quite a bit. So then now we've got background music, custom audio. I'm not really sure. I haven't used that much at all, so I'm not going to mess with that. And then once you're satisfied with what you have, then you hit the finish video button. And high quality 1080, that's recommended. Let's go for it. Well, a lot of times I just go with what the default is. And here's the big thing is you want to make sure you name it. So you would put your name on it, but I'm just going to say demo 1. And make sure it's saving as a video files, and that's exactly what we want. And then I'm going to put it to my desktop actually, because I'm going to show you then how to upload it into Streams. So as you can see, it takes a few moments to export that. And that's what it looks like. So yeah, pretty easy to use. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, email me or contact me through Teams. Have a good day.